Meaning of distracted.
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 Distracted. Distracted means having one's attention diverted from the task or matter at hand by other things that are competing for attention. When someone is distracted, they may find it difficult to concentrate, focus, or remember details. They may be easily sidetracked by thoughts, sounds, sights, or emotions. This can lead to mistakes, reduced productivity, or even accidents. In extreme cases, being distracted for prolonged periods can have negative impacts on one's mental health and well-being. As such, it is important to minimize distractions and stay focused when engaging in important tasks or activities.